Hello everyone, I'm back again with another review for Soundpeats, and today we will be testing out the new Soundpeats Mini Pro. Soundpeats has a wide range of earphone selection that suits your lifestyle and most importantly, your budget. This time, we are about to highlight one of the newest models that came out in their budget earphone range. This is the Soundpeats Mini Pro. If you have seen my last Soundpeats review video, it was about the Soundpeats Mini, which came out not so while ago. This time, we have the Pro version of that, so let's test this one and find out if it made a huge difference in terms of specs and performance. So, I am always asked to my post, guys, magkano ba yung earphones na yan na lagi mong pinopost? Ganyan. Unahin ko na, guys, huwag nyo nang i-forward yung video. Sasabihin ko na kaagad sa inyo. This is 245 dirhams. It is available in Amazon here in the UAE. And it is about 3,099 pesos in the Philippines. So, mararamdaman mo talaga yung difference, guys, no? Because the Soundpeats, the original Soundpeats Mini is priced at about 139 AED. It's roughly about 155 or 16 pesos. Depende kung magkano yung palitan. But who knows? Maybe this earbuds is really worth for its price. Now, let's find out together. So, guys, unahin natin sa case. Si Soundpeats Original Mini, ganito siya. Ito siya. Plastic siya, guys, if nakikita nyo, ayan. And I told you before na hindi siya scratch-free. But, they seem to have listened. So now, we get this rubbery type of texture sa case. This is the Mini Pro na, guys, ha. So, iba na siya. Compared mo sila, ayan siya. Parehas pa din naman, guys, yung light indicator niya. Dito. Kung nakikita nyo. The mini light button here, green siya pag 50 to 100%, yellow if 10 to 50%, and red na if below 10. Sa loob, guys, medyo upgraded na din yung case niya. Kasi ito si Original Mini. Tingnan nyo, ayan. Ayan lang siya. Ayan. And ito si Mini Pro. Ayan. Medyo saucy na siya doon. Ditong part. Ayan, guys. We can also see na slightly bigger na yung earbuds ni Mini Pro kay Soundpeats Mini. About the comfort naman, guys, it comes with this silicone ear tips. Ayan. Lagi ko nakakalimutan ng tawag dito, yung dulo. Ito, guys, ito. Silicone ear tips ang tawag dyan. So, tatandaan ko na yan. They have different sizes as usual that's interchangeable for the comfort of your ears. Also, guys, do note that these buds are slightly bigger than the Orig one. So, it will stick out a bit to your ear. Medyo ganun siya. Medyo naka-stick out siya sa ear mo. This, I'd like to do always. Alam nyo naman, guys, Bluetooth test. Wala lang. Try lang natin, guys. Mabilis lang to. Gusto ko kasing malaman if mabilis mag-connect ang earbuds sa device ko always. May ganun kasi ako na-try ng mga Bluetooth earphones before na sobrang tagal talaga mag-connect sa Bluetooth. So, try din natin si Mini Pro as always dito sa reviews natin. Ginagawa naman talaga natin to. So, here, on ko lang to. Bluetooth. Ayan. Buksan natin si Mini Pro. Buksan natin si Mini Pro. Yan. Medyo matagal siya, guys. Tanggalin nga natin yung... Tanggalin ko ba yung earbuds? Okay. I have to take off the earbuds para mag-power on siya. Ganun. Ay, nakakonect siya sa akin. Ayun, connected na, guys. Medyo natagalan tayo ng konti kay Mini Pro, no? Teka lang. Tagal natin. So, the earbuds comes with a Qualcomm 3040 chipset with Bluetooth 5.2 that supports that aptX adaptive, AAC, and SBC codec. Also, same with the original Mini, andito pa rin guys yung IPX5 water resistant rating. And it's not going to be a problem pa din na mabasa ng kaunti, ng ulan or sweat, ganon. Also guys, both buds will still be working if you remove the other one from your ear. So, same pa din siya sa Soundpeats Mini na Ori. So guys, the earbuds has 7 hours of battery life plus 14 hours additional charge from the case. But that is not with the ANC on, guys. So with the ANC on, I think you can get 5 hours of battery life from the buds itself, and then maybe additional 9 to 10 hours from the case. And finally guys, Soundpeats Mini Pro is charging at 1.5 hours na lang because of its blue charging port. Bago po kasi itong blue charging port niya sa likod. The Soundpeats Original Mini takes about 3 to 3.5 hours of charging. This buds has a bit of improvement compared kay Soundpeats Mini, guys. But you will only notice that if you are really meticulous sa sounds. Kung mahilig ka talaga makinig ng music, hindi mo siya masyadong ma-appreciate na nagbago yung tunog ni Soundpeats Mini to Soundpeats Mini Pro. Konting-konti lang talaga ang diferensya, guys. If you like loud earbuds, I think Mini Pro is not for you. Madami namang options si Soundpeats, guys, if mostly focus ka talaga sa top-tier quality ng sounds. So, si Rig Mini has this AI noise cancelling feature, diba? Now, Soundpeats Mini Pro has this ANC, which is active noise cancelling feature. For me, guys, make sure you have the proper fit of the ear tips to maximize the ANC feature. Because I think if you don't put it all the way in there, it doesn't make a difference. We'll test this out with a video recording, guys. Ayan, wala yung earphone. Ito yung tunog pag hindi ko suot yung earphone. Dito lang din ako. Sa likod lang din ako, guys. Sa may dagat. Ayan. Yan yung tunog, guys, na wala akong gamit na kahit anong earphone. And ito talaga yung boses ko. Ito yung speaking voice ko. Medyo, ito talaga yung tone ko, guys. So, ayan. Ayan, guys. Suot ko siya. Dito pa rin ako. Same. Ayan yung construction. Ayan yung construct. Ayan, medyo malakas yung hangin. Ewan ko kung may difference. Mamaya ko pa malalaman. So, ayan guys. Malalaman natin mamaya yung difference. Ito guys, yung voice memo. Gamit na natin yung sounds. Ito. Ayan, para lang may idea tayo kung ano yung sound ko sa other end. Pag nakipag-usap. So, ko po siya ngayon. Same, ano natin ako. Para rin sa play park. Let's see kung anong difference. This gives a pretty decent noise cancelling effect. But don't expect too much, as remember, we are still in the budget side of this. I will be honest and I will say that it won't zero out the noise around you. But this is useful if you just want to get rid of the chatter sounds or engine sounds around you, especially if you turn the ANC on while playing a background music. That would pretty much do the trick. Controlling Soundpeats Mini Pro, guys, is still easy because parehas pa rin naman sila ni Soundpeats Mini Original na nasa buds lahat ng controls. So, dito ka lang pa rin magpipress sa buds. But do note na ang ating Soundpeats Mini Pro, nawala na yung kanyang backwards control option dito sa left earbud kasi napalitan na siya ni ANC or ni active noise cancelling. Yung controls, I will flash na lang dito sa screen. You can just screenshot if you want. Latency-wise, the Mini Pro is good at 60 milliseconds of gaming. Pretty standard nowadays. And the real-time gaming with PUBG is tested. You'll notice very little lag. And that experience is mostly positive naman. Watching videos and movies with these earbuds are also really enjoyable. Walang problema, guys. Ganun pa rin naman siya. Maganda pa rin siya. Smooth lang siya if you're just going to watch movie and listen from these earbuds. So what do you think, guys? Did the price make up for its upgrades? I think with the ANC feature, guys, it's still pretty decent for its price range. I think the only con for me is the size of the buds. Medyo mahirap siyang ipasok dito, guys. Sa tenga ko ha, kasi medyo maliit kasi yung ano ng tenga ko. But you really have to put it in there and tsaka ayusin mo siya para makuha mo talaga yung tamang fit para sa tenga mo. Para lang din, hindi siya mahulog. And of course, the backward option, yun lang naman guys. Yung dalawang yun lang ang con para sa akin ni Soundpeats Mini Pro. But if that doesn't bother you at all guys, I would say Soundpeats Mini Pro is a very good buy and for sure is one of the best budget earbuds of 2022. So that's it guys for the review of our Soundpeats Mini Pro. I would like to remind everyone that I'm also doing beauty, travel, lifestyle, and random vlogs. So if you like all my videos, please like and subscribe to my channel guys. I would really appreciate that. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you again on my next vlog. Bye!